There are some 10 live lagoons pilot islands in Europe. There are 5 in Lithuania, 2 in Poland and 3 in Germany. Each is approximately 26 square meters in size. In Lithuania they were installed 3 years ago. Arturas Rathinkovas-Bathiukas, coordinator of the project, gives us more details about these pilot wetlands to fight nutrient pollution.
If you consider the effect of the investment in one island as compared to the wastewater treatment plants, they are much cheaper in maintenance than, for example, the wastewater treatment plants, because they are natural and they simply nature-based solutions that helps us to remove the nutrients. We simply bought a commercial product that's made of plastic tubes. It's a lot of UV-resistant plastic, some coconut fiber, and we put our Lagoons plan on them. But at the end we did realize that first of all, the price of these islands are pretty high, especially if you want to use them privately. Secondly, many of the people were not happy with the extensive use of the plastic. So we tried just to modify the construction a little bit, just by introducing environmentally friendly materials like inox or metal instead of the plastics, and our local reed instead of the coconut fiber.